Hello guys, welcome to Zen-Z Academy. This playlist is going to concentrate on Apti and reasoning questions which are going to help you in clearing quite a few IT companies, and this series will have multiple videos. Each video will be of range 10 to 15 minutes. Within this time range, we will be trying to cover around 3 to 4 methods. Each method will try to give around 2 examples. And after clearing this, there will be even a quiz which you can attend, and it will be linked in the description. If you have any doubt, you can ask us in our Discord, which will be linked below also. And if you have any other doubts also, you can write it in our comment section. We'll try to answer quite a few or most of them. And in today's video, we are going to cover 3 methods, which are going to be how to make an approach to a series of numbers and perform addition and subtraction on them. Then the second is going to be how to multiply 2 numbers, which is very simple, but we are going to tell a trick how to solve it in a quicker way to answer it within 5 to 10 seconds. And coming to the next, which is going to be how to divide a series of numbers. So if you see a series of numbers like 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 5 divided by 1, 2, 3, 5. So this type of division questions will be solved in today's video. So we'll start with the basic sums. First, I hope everyone knows how to add and subtract, but I'll just take an example. If you get a series of numbers where you have to do or perform your addition and subtraction and give the answer. So what you have to do in that and what approach has to be made. So this is very simple sum. So if you see here, the question is 3.67 plus 1.08 minus 3.89 minus 2.67, 8.09 and 17.67. So here what we have to do is basically, first we have to add all the positive integers and then add all the negative integers here. So I'll perform an addition here, which will be of 3.67, 1.08, 3.89, sorry, 3.89 I should not add here because it is a negative integer. So I'll just remove this part. Which is the next positive integer here? It is 17.67. This is all the positive integers here. I'll take the negative integers, which is minus 3.89 minus 2.67 minus 8.09. Okay, so we'll add all the positive numbers first. So 7 plus 8 is 15. 15 plus 7 is 22. 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 plus 6 is 14. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 7 is 12. 5 plus 7 is 12. Yeah. 1 plus 1, 2. So 22.42 here. We will take all the negative numbers now. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 7 is 25. 2 plus 8, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 8 is 14. So after getting the negative integers and the positive integers, we had to subtract them both to get the right answer. So it is going to be 22.42 minus 14.65. So here 4 minus 2. If I do like this, I have to take so much carry. So I take the greater number here in the end as carry. I take it as carry here, so this becomes 12, 12 it becomes 11, 4 becomes 14, 14 becomes 13 again, and this 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 5, 12 minus 5 is how much? It is 7. 13 minus 6, it is 7 again. 11 minus 4 is 7 again. 1 minus 1 is 0. So our answer is 7.77. So if we have to do this in a minute, what we have to do is, first directly take the last integers. As you see here, the last integer is 2, and you see here the last integer is 5. So if you take this 2, you can consider it, if you are minusing 2 minus 5, of course you have to do what? You have to take a carry here. So you can either take it a carry directly as 12, 12 minus 7, you can take it 7 here. And if you're not sure, you can perform this. And you don't have, if you're not sure about the answer that this method is right, what you can do is at least perform this part of it and perform this part. Then while you're going for the subtraction part, right, take only the last integer. If the last integer is matching with any of your option, if there are 4 options and your one of the option is ending with 7, then that is your right answer and you can move directly with it. So not spending more time on it, we'll go on the other sum, which is other basic question, which is of multiplication. So they will give you a number, for example 32 multiplied by 12, and you have to tell the answer. So the basic approach would be like you would sit and solve it by 32 into 12, and you will do your basic approach, which is of 3 2s are 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, and you will continue this total. But when you have to say answer in a minute and you know there are 4 options, any of one answer is your right, what you can do is there is a simple trick here which can be done very easily. So just draw arrow here, do a cross multiply and another arrow like this way. So what it has to be done, 2 2s are 4, any of your option which is ending with 4, that is your answer. You can go forward and mark it. But if there are 2 options which are ending with 4, then what has to be done? You have to go with you have to multiply and get the forward other answers, other integers. So here it will be 3 2s are, multiply this both numbers. So it is 3 2s are 6 and 2 1s are 2. So which is equal to 8. Any number which is ending with 84, that is your answer. And if you want, if you are not sure, then go forward, which is going to 3 1s are 3. So 384 is the right answer. You can mark it and go, but you don't have to perform this whole calculation. Instead of performing this big calculation, you can see the last integer. If the last integer is matching with your option, then that is the right answer. I'll take another problem which creates another scenario here basically in multiplication. So I'll take a number as 13 into 24. So I'll do my basic approach, which was 13, 24, and drawing my arrow. Yeah. So here what I'm going to do, 4 3s are 12. As you see in the last sum, what was happening, we were getting a single integer here, but we are getting a now double integer with a carry. For example, so what we have to do here is 4 3s are is 12. Write 2 here, take 1 as carry. Yeah, so now any option which is ending with 2, that is your answer. You can mark it and go. If there are 2 options which are ending with 2, then you have to go forward, which is going to be 1 4s are 4, 3 2s are is 6. So it is equal to 10. But what you had 1 as carry. So it becomes 11. So 11 becomes what? You will put 1 down here, another 1 will become a carry again. So we'll go by multiplying 1 into 2, 1 2s are 2, and we have 1 as carry, so it becomes 3. So 312 is your answer. So this is basic multiplication. We'll go with a division problem. So the basic division is not asked. The division which is asked is very different, which is a series of number divided by that particular number series. For example, I'll take a sum here, 6 7 8 6 7 8 6 7 8 6 7 8 6 7 8. If you take this example and I tell you to divide the same series by 6 7 8, if you take this example, so this is a big series of number, so we would predict the answer would be like 1 1 1 1 1. Like as we go by the traditional way, we might say that 6 7 8, many people, to tell the answer in a quicker way, we might say that the answer is going to be 1 1 1 1. But if you do the division by yourself, I'll show you how this can be done very quick and what is going to be an answer. So 1 2 3 4, I think the series is repeating around 5 times. 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5 divided by 6 7 8. So if I perform the division over here, it is going to be 1 6 7 8. If I do this minus, I get 0. I bring a number down. In division, when we bring a number down, we put a 0 basically. Then I bring another number down, which is going to be 7. Then I put a 0 again because it's not going to divide. But then I bring another number, which is 8 here. So when I bring 8 down, what is happening? I can divide this number by 1 again. 6, 7, 8, which is 0 again. So if I go forward, it's going to be the same. Again, there will be a 2 zeros and a 1. So if you see a pattern here, what is happening? There are 2 zeros and there is a single 1. So how it can be solved in a very quicker way is, say how many numbers are there. There are 3 numbers, and how many times this number is getting repeated? They are getting repeated 5 times. 5 times 3 numbers. So what we have to do here is, 5 times, write 5 times 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. And we see there are 3 numbers. So we have to put 2 zeros in between them. 2 zeros in between them. This is our answer. So we'll take another example. For now, we'll take another example to see how is the series done. Let me take 5, 4, 6, 9, 5, 4, 6, 9, 5, 4, 6, 9 divided by 5, 4, 6, 9. So if I had to do this series, what I would do, as I said, see the number. How many numbers are there? There are 4 numbers. Okay. And how many times they are getting repeated? 1, 2, 3. 3 times they are getting repeated. So how our solution is going to be? It is going to be like, how many times? 3 times. So 3 ones. Plus we see there are 4 numbers in there. So we are going to put 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So this is our answer. This is very quicker way and this can be solved in a minute. So we have to see how to solve a problem in a very quicker way, either than sitting and solving the whole problem, because the Apti is all about how to get the right answer within your time limit, instead of sitting and solving your whole whole traditional methods. Even if you don't know, just keep the tricks in mind. If you keep the tricks in mind, you can get the right answer very quickly, and this is what the company is expecting from you. They are expecting you to give the right answer. They are seeing how logical and how fast you can solve a problem. They're not expecting you to sit and solve the problem for the whole way, because they are not going to ask you a worksheet. They just need the right option.